Hi from Tosh Tyres. I've got a Vauxhall Meriva here, just doing the rear lights on this. Before we do it, I'm going to check which ones they are, I'll show you as well. If you switch your lights on, now you see the driver side's working, which is the off side one. The passenger side, which is near side, is not working. Now press the brakes, switch the ignition on. Right, if you see same thing again, it's not working. Now we're going to just replace them. Do you want to come out of the car please, if you don't mind? Switch the lights off. Right, what you'd need is an 8mm socket. There we go. Or a Phillips screwdriver, as you see in there. And the bulbs I've got is quite a few here. So I've got the 382 and the 380. I'm not sure which one it is, but we'll start opening it to show you. Do you know? Thank you. Put the screw out. Put the other screw out as well. Once you get the screw out, you gently pull this back. There are a few lugs on the back here. If you want to come round, just show you. A few lugs there. You see this one there and that one there? That goes slots in here. Yep. Now to remove this, I would unplug it first. So that's out the way. And then you've got a Phillips screwdriver. And got a Phillips screwdriver. So what I'm going to do is unscrew these little screws here. Take the screws out all the way. There's one more in there as well. It's a bit tight. Put that one out in my hand. Get this one out as well. And then I'll pull it from there, from the top. That's it. These are the two bulbs that needs replacing. That's gone a bit darker, so that's definitely blown up, and that's gone darker as well, so that's blown up. And they're both single filament, and I think there are 382s if I'm correct, which is a 382 bulb. All right, so that's the bulb you need. 382. We'll put that in. Put one in first. And then get the second 382 out. That's the second one out. All you do then is put it back together. Now the way it would go is you'd put this in, put the lugs in. Then you nice and gently you slide it in, because you really don't want to damage anything. That's it. And then you get the little screws. The two screws that you took out, one goes in there. And then the other one goes in there. Get a screwdriver, screw it in. Same procedure, put everything back together, check the lights, make sure the lights are working. We will check that with you. Good. Now plug it back in. And then slot it in. Do you want to go and get a chicken? Yeah, that's good. Put your brakes on. That's lovely, that's all working. All you got to do, put everything back together. That's it, and job done. Any more information about this car, let me know, see if I could help you. Thanks for watching our channel. Goodbye.